Hello, and thank you for scheduling a meeting with Cantor Power Systems. And congratulations on taking the first step towards energy independence and protecting your home and loved ones in the event of a power outage. Determining the right installer is a big decision, and we value the opportunity to show you why over 20,000 customers across the U.S. have chosen to have their generator installed the Cantor way, on time, on budget, and the right fit for you. Cantor Power Systems has been family-owned and operated since 1948, and in that time, we've grown to become the nation's largest installer of on-demand generators. We offer a best-in-class 10-year warranty and 24-hour support to give you peace of mind knowing you're covered around the clock. It's not just an install for us. It's a relationship to keep your home and family protected. Those are just a few reasons we've maintained a 5-star rating for over 20 years. Right now, our Cantor team members are hard at work compiling all the information needed to install your generator. From permitting and regulations to location on your property, there's a lot of steps involved, but that's what we're here for. On the day of your scheduled meeting, the process is the same, whether in person or virtual. There are 3 main priorities for our time together. Most important is understanding your needs and what you would like the generator to power. Keep in mind that the size of the generator is determined by what you would like to power, not by the size of the home. While many customers choose whole house systems, there's no right or wrong answer regarding what you would like to power. Your generator expert will be happy to customize your power solution if you would like. Second, your generator expert will need to review potential sites for the generator. A good location is on level ground, 6 foot by 6 foot, and near to your gas line. Your generator expert will also walk you through any local jurisdictions and other things you need to know in terms of permitting for your generator. Finally, during your meeting, your generator expert will review pricing and payment options. Please begin considering what you intend to spend, either monthly or as a single payment, so we can best be prepared to serve you. And that's it. The whole process should take about an hour. At Cantor, you are not just buying a generator. You are buying an entire team who are ready to make sure your generator arrives on time, at the correct size, on budget. If you allow us the opportunity to be your generator partner, we will have a team on location for preliminary install work within 7 days. That is the Cantor way. On behalf of all of us at Cantor Power Systems, we hope that we can soon say, welcome to the Cantor family.